everyone, welcome to CyberCodex. Today we're going to learn a simple but powerful concept in Python, how to exchange the values of two variables. Swapping values is a fundamental operation in programming, commonly used in sorting algorithms and data manipulation. The problem in simple terms with the example. Imagine you have two containers, one with apples and the other with oranges. How do you swap the contents without spilling anything? Similarly, in Python we want to swap two variable values without losing any data. Let's say we have a equal sign 5 and b equal sign 10. After swapping, a should be 10 and b should be 5. Step 1. Start with two variables. We have two variables a and b with initial values. Step 2. Use Python's multiple assignment feature. The magic happens in one line. A, b equals sign b, a. Python simultaneously assigns the value of b to a and a to b. Step 3. Check the swapped values. Finally, we print both A and B to verify the swap. Let's see the PyScripter download and installation process. Start by visiting the PyScripter official website. To begin, head to your web browser and search for PyScripter download. Go to the official website or SourceForge link to get the latest version. Download the installer for your operating system, Windows. Once downloaded, open the installer, follow the on-screen instructions, and click Next until it's installed. After installation, open PyScripter. You'll see a clean interface with a space for writing Python code and a console at the bottom for output. Show how to verify the Python version. PyScripter automatically detects your Python installation. You can check the version by going to Tools, Python versions. Let's write the program to exchange two variables. In the editor, type this simple code, a equals sign 5b equals sign 10 print. Before swapping, a equals sign a, b equals sign b. Hash swapping values a, b equals sign b, a print. After swapping, a equals sign a, b equals sign b. Once the code is written, save the file with API extension. For example, swap_variables.py. Then press F9 or click the green play button to run the program. You'll see the output appear in the console at the bottom. It shows the values before and after swapping. If you see any errors, make sure Python is properly installed and linked to PyScripter. You can do this by selecting Tools, Python versions, and choosing your Python path. Simple explanation of the program. First, we define two variables. After swapping with ab equals sign b, a, the output shows that their values have been exchanged successfully. In today's video, we learned how to swap the values of two variables in Python using a single line of code. This technique is efficient and clean. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more programming tutorials. Drop your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.